Tired of your Dropbox storage groaning under the weight of forgotten backups? Today, we're diving deep into managing your Dropbox backups, like a digital decluttering expert, to free up precious cloud space. First things first, navigate to the Dropbox website and log into your account. You can do this through any web browser. Once logged in, you should be on your main Files page. Look for a section or folder specifically designated for your backups. This might be a top-level folder, or it could be within another organizing structure you've created. Identify the folder containing your old backups. Now, let's get granular. Inside this backup folder, you'll likely see a chronological arrangement of your backup data, perhaps by date or device. Carefully examine the backups you no longer need. Consider when they were created and what data they contain. If you're unsure about a backup, it's always better to review its contents before deleting. To delete a backup, simply select the folder or file you wish to remove. You can select multiple items by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking. With your unwanted backup selected, look for the Delete option. This is usually represented by a trash can icon or a delete button, often found at the top of the file list. Dropbox will present a confirmation prompt to ensure you don't accidentally delete anything important. Read this carefully and confirm your decision. And just like that, your selected backups are gone. You've successfully freed up valuable storage space and gained better control over your Dropbox environment. Remember to periodically review your backups to maintain an optimal and clutter-free cloud.